Hello, my digital learners. Hope you're doing good. Welcome back to my channel, Digitalize the World. In today's lesson, I will be teaching you how to move the characters in all the 4 directions, and we will be learning how to make your characters turn, and I'll be teaching you how to make your characters jump as well. So let's get into it. All right. So on my screen right now, you can see there is a default character whose name is Tick here. And in yesterday's lesson, I taught you how to customize it. So if you want to customize your character, you can customize it with this button here. All right, right now I do not have any background. So let's add the background quickly with this gallery button here. From here, I am going to select a really beautiful background. Let's see. I'm going to take this spring here. If you want to customize it, you can customize as I told you in my previous lesson. Now, I will just click on this. All right, so we have a tick here, and I am going to place my tick over here, just inside the edge. First thing is that we are going to switch on this grid screen here. Now, what does this grid screen do? This grid screen has some numberings on it, which tells you that where your character is standing. Remember, this home block is basically used to make the characters go back to its starting position. All right, now we don't need these 2 blocks. Let's get deleted. There you go. Now, I'll drag my tick all the way to the right side, and I want this tick to move towards the left side. First of all, I will flip my tick as it's looking on the right side. How to do that? See, there is a block here which is called Move Left. Drag it and click on it once. And now you see it's facing towards the left side. Now drag it backwards like that and start counting the way you counted for the right block. Okay, so I know when I was standing here, my block was having 19 steps. 19 steps were needed to make your tick go back to the right side. In the same way, this tick is right now standing inside the edge. I want to make my tick go to the left side. Press like that and see your tick starts moving left side and it stopped. So this was accurate. We added the same value that we added in the right button. Let's put it back. Now I want that the tick should be facing towards right. Okay. I want my tick to be standing here. Okay. I want the tick to go just next to these mountains. How many steps does this need to go all the way to the up? So you will not count this block. Start counting from 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, let's say 8. I want my tick to go up. So I drag the move up block and type here 8. And now click on it. There you go. I want my tick to go down. So I will be using down block. This block is called move down. So now, how many blocks does this tick need to go down? Same number of blocks that we did for the up one. Let's type here 8 again. And your tick will come down there. So easy. I hope that you have understood all these 4 blocks. Move right block, move left block, move up block, and move down block. Very easy. Now, we are going to delete tick because we don't need tick anymore. Let's delete it. Now, let me teach you how to turn. So how to turn left and right. Let's take a circle shape or a circle character. Let's take a sun. Okay, so this sun is going to be here. I'm going to make my sun turn right. So how will I do that? There is a block here which says turn right. Let's drag it. How many steps you want that the sun should be turning right? Let's say 6 steps. Let's see how the sun is turning right. There you go. How beautiful it was looking. Okay, now let's try one more time. Let's say 12. You can type the values from your keyboard or you can type it from here also. There are 2 ways to do. Press enter. Wow, very nice. So this turn means that this sun will start moving from right side, okay, and has to complete 12 times. Now, I'll show you the example for the left one. I type same numbers, 12, and this sun will start turning from left. Have a look. Wow. So that's how you make your characters turn. Let's get a character. Okay, I'm going to take a rabbit because a rabbit hops. Let's put this rabbit here. Now let's see how will the rabbit jump. There is a block here which is called hop. Right now, this hop has 2 value inside, which means that it's going to hop 2 times, 1 up and 1 down. Let's click on it. See, a very short hop. So if you want that the rabbit should keep on hopping, what you will do, keep adding the blocks like that. See. Okay, and if you want that the rabbit should move forward and then hop, you can make a combination of move block, right block with the hop block, then move right again, then hop again, then move right again, and then hop again. Let's see how this combination of blocks works. Wow, that's amazing. So see, in the same way, you can add a lot of blocks with the combination of many blocks. You can make your rabbit turn as well. How? Let's disconnect it, add your turn block here, and then you can make your character go up also, right also, connect it like that. Then you can add the turn block, then move right again. Let's see how this works. Ooh, nice. So did you see your rabbit was dancing? Okay, I hope you have understood the examples that I have given you. Now let's have one more example. Are you ready? Let's get inside. I am going to delete the rabbit. I don't need it. Let's add some more character inside. Let's add this character, tack. Let's place the tack here. And let's get one more character on which this tack will jump over. Let's take this one, talk. Let's put the talk here, just inside at the edge. Okay, I want this tack to be moving closer to the talk and has to jump over the talk and come on, get inside the edge. Let's start. First of all, we go to the tack. We add the block here. How many steps tack has to move closer to talk? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's type here 11. Let's see. Okay, still it's touching. Let's add 10. We first set it back, home button, and let's see again. Perfect. Now I want my tack to go up. So 1, 2, 3, 3 steps up. Let's try. Perfect. Now I want my tack to go all the way here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I want it to go towards the right side with 7 steps. Perfect. And now I want my tack to go down. I'm going to use the move down block. How many steps has to come down? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's add 4 here. Let's go to the home button again and restart. Perfect. Okay, 1 step is added extra. So we're going to type here 3. Let's test it out again. Wow, very nice. And then I want that my tack should be moving 2 steps ahead and it comes back to its original position. On this side, we want it should be coming back on the left side. Well done. And that's how it is. Now let's add one more block. Let's say 2. Bravo, very nice. So, my digital learners, I hope you have understood today's topic. If you have any questions regarding today's project, just ask me in the comment section and I will be answering all the questions of yours. So, in my next lesson, I will be teaching how to make the size of your characters shrink and grow and we'll be learning about the triggering blocks as well. So, my digital learners, I'll see you in my next lesson. Till then, take care. Bye.